Good day, viewers. You are welcome. In this system of algebral equations, we want to find the value of x that satisfies this. Here we are going to apply the substitution method, and the reason for this is to get some identity which can make us handle this question easily without stress. So let's start from the middle term. Here we have x plus 3. By letting x plus 3 equals another letter, and suppose I choose letter T, and we have x plus 3 equals T. I also need other terms, which is x plus 2 and x plus 4. Here we have x plus 2. By subtracting 1 from both sides in x plus 3, we are going to have x plus 2 equals T minus 1. And also by adding 1, we are going to have x plus 4 equals T plus 1. Here are all the things we need, as we have substituted all of them with another variable, which is T. So the next is to substitute. We are going to substitute them into what we have, the initial equation. We have T minus 1 as the replace of x plus 2, and x plus 3 is now T, where x plus 4 is T plus 1, and everything equals 990. So here we can place T minus 1 and T plus 1 together, as what I'm saying is difference of 2 square. But let's see how we can do that. Here we have T minus 1, T plus 1, then multiply by T. So by taking 990 to the left hand side, we have everything equals 0. Next, so when we expand this, T minus 1, so we have T multiplied by T, that is T to the power of 2, and T multiplied by 1, we have T, then minus 1 multiplied by T, that is minus T, then minus 1 multiplied by 1, we have minus 1, then everything multiplied by T minus 990 equals 0. So plus T minus T cancelled, and we are going to have T squared minus 1, T to the power of 2 minus 1 multiplied by T minus 990 equals 0. And by opening the parentheses with T, we have T to the power of 3 minus T minus 990 equals 0. Here what to do here is, we have this equation as a cubic equation. We are going to apply some manipulation method. Suppose we have T to the power of 3 minus T. So if I write this 990 as minus 100 plus 10. So this is still the same thing as 990, then everything equals 0. So let's do the grouping of the like terms. Here we have T to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 3. Both of them are having power of 3. Then minus T plus 10 equals 0. So which means the next thing we are going to do is, let's consider from T to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power 3. So we are going to note that if we have A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3, it has an identity of A minus B, bracket, open bracket, A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2 plus AB. And this gives the difference of 2 cube. So by applying it, we are going to consider it with T to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 3. This gives 10 minus T minus 10, bracket, open bracket, we have T to the power of 2 plus 10 to the power of 2 plus 10T, and everything in bracket. On getting this, we are going to replace it. Here we are coming from here, from this line, which is T to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 3. So we are going to replace that one with all these identity. So here we have T minus 10, bracket, open bracket, T to the power of 2 plus 10 to the power of 2 plus 10t. And also we have minus, by taking out minus from minus t plus 10, we are going to have this in parentheses, which is t minus 10. Everything equals 0. And next, let's assume we factor out t minus 10 from all this. What we are going to have next is t minus 10 in bracket, open bracket, t to the power of 2 plus 10t plus, so 10 square is 100 minus, and here remains 1, all in bracket equals 0. And by the rules of 0, it means that t minus 10 equals 0, or we are going to have t to the power of 2 plus 10t plus 99, everything equals 0. So for the first value of this cubic equation, we have t equals 10. And also here, which is a quadratic equation, looking at this, when we consider the discriminant here is less than 0 because of plus 99, which means that the value we are going to get here is a complex number, and therefore we are going to neglect this, or we reject it. Therefore, the only real value we have is t equals 10. So let's record from x plus 3 equals t, because we need x, not t. We just get that t just to make the x possible to find. So here we do the replacement, and we get the value of x here by collecting the like terms, which is 10 minus t, and here x equals 7, which is the only real solutions we have for this, and the only solution to this for a real value. So here is how to solve this algebra equations, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you have any other method of solving this, you can drop it. Never stop learning. See you in the next class.